Hey guys, I'm going to explain the directions for our week 3 math assessment of Scram. So every Thursday, you guys will be assessed on math and you'll be assessed on reading. So I'm going to explain what you're going to do with this Google slide. So it says Scram, the ways to solve multiplication problems, and your objective is learning multiplication on Module 1 of Eureka. So the directions, I will post this video in here. So you can click the video and you'll know exactly what to do. So it'll give you a multiplication problem, 3 times 6. It says slides 4 through 8 ask you to model 3 times 6 using different techniques of Scram. Fill in each slide modeling 3 times 6. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you examples. Skip counting. You're going to click this text box, and then you're going to go in there, and you're going to type in skip counting, how you would go about that. So it would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So look, I've skip counted 6 different times by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And every time I went up by 3. But not only do I want you to do that, but I also want you to give the other example. So 6, 12, 18. Therefore, you know your product is 18. And then you'll go on to the next slide. Cookie method. This is where I want you to really pay attention because I think I'm going to get a lot of questions about this. You have this shape tool up here. You're going to create your own cookies. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go copy and paste these. Copy, paste. I right click copy, right click, paste. So now I have 3 cookies, but I need 6 chocolate chips on each cookie. So I'm going to go to shapes, and I'm going to go ahead and put in paste, paste, paste. So now my chocolate chip cookie has 6 chocolate chips. So I'll go in and I will also put 6 chocolate chips on this cookie. So there's 5 and 6, and I'll do the same thing for this cookie. I'm sure you guys are getting tired of watching me make chocolate chips. Feel free to change the colors of these, whatever you need to do, as long as you can count up those chocolate chips. That's really all that matters. So now I have modeled 3 groups of 6. I have 3 cookies with 6 chocolate chips. If you want to change the color, all you have to do is go on up here, and you will go to a different fill color right here. So if you wanted your cookies to be this color, and then you wanted your chocolate chips to be black, that's what you would do. Okay, and remember, you have this undo button. So there's my cookies. All right, next model, repeated addition. So what you would do is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need one more. 3 equals, and I'd put 18. Or you could do 6 plus 6 plus 6, and that will get you 18 as well. So that's how you would model your repeated addition. Your array, this is where you're also going to need your shapes tool. You're going to go up here. You can choose any shape you want to. Let's do smiley faces. So I'm going to go ahead and copy, paste, copy, paste. You guys should be awesome at copy and paste by now. So there's my 3 rows. Okay, the first number is how many rows you have. The second is how many columns. Remember, this one already counts, so I just need 5 more. Paste, paste, paste. I'm going to have to do this 18 times because I know my product is 18. Okay, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4. You can choose any shape you want, really. You could do stars. You could do any of the shapes that you like. I thought the smiley face was kind of neat. So there would be my array. I have 3 rows because rows go this way. And I have 6 columns. Columns go this way, just like the Colosseum. So I have 3 groups of 6. So I know that I could either skip count. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, or I can count them this way by 6s, 6, 12, 18, or I can count them individually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I know my array is correct. This is representing 3 times 6. And the next one, it says, what is the product of 3 times 6? You just have to go down here and type in 18. So there I have modeled what you're supposed to do for 3 times 6. So now it says 2 times 8. You're going to go in and do the exact same thing. And then here it says for slides 16 through 20, make up your own multiplication problem. And you're going to model it just like you would. So you would come up with whatever multiplication problem you want. I would keep it within low numbers. I would maybe do different, maybe your factors are anywhere from 2 to 8. Any numbers in that range is fine. Don't be doing 15 times 15 because that's just going to be terrible whenever you're trying to create cookies and do an array. Okay, so keep your numbers kind of low. And you're going to go through and you're going to model all the different methods of Scram. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. I did the first part for you, so there shouldn't really be any confusion. All right, have a great Thursday. That is all.